Hello everyone, myself Latarani HM, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, GFGC, Nagram. In this session, we discuss about the topic harmonic function of a complex variable. First, we discuss about the Laplace equation in two dimension. Definition: the equation dou squared phi by dou x square plus dou squared phi by dou y square is equal to 0. That equation is called Laplace equation in two dimension. So this equation is satisfied, then this equation is called as a Laplace equation. A function f which possesses continuous partial derivatives of the first and second order. The partial derivatives of the first and second order means dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. And also satisfy the Laplace equation dou squared f by dou x square plus dou squared f by dou y square is equal to 0 is called harmonic function. In simply, harmonic function is defined as a function f satisfies the Laplace equation dou squared f by dou x square plus dou squared f by dou y square is equal to 0 is called the harmonic function. Theorem: the real and imaginary part of an analytic function f of z are a harmonic function. Means here we have to prove that the real and imaginary part of an f of z is satisfies the harmonic functions or is also a harmonic function. Here f of z means u plus iv. Here real part is u and imaginary part is v. We have to show that u is a harmonic function and v is in a harmonic function. Now see the proof. Let u and v possess first and second order continuous partial derivatives, and also u and v satisfies the CR equation according to the given data. Real and imaginary part of analytic function. Analytic function means it satisfies the CR equation. Now write the CR equation. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. Differentiate above equation with respect to x and with respect to y. Differentiation of dou u by dou x with respect to x is dou squared u by dou x square, and differentiate of RHS is dou squared v by dou y into dou x, and dou u by dou y with respect to y is dou squared u by dou y square, which is equal to minus dou squared v by dou x into dou y. Now adding these two equation, we get the dou squared u by dou x square plus dou squared u by dou y square, which is equal to, adding the RHS, we get dou squared v by dou y dou x minus dou squared v by dou x into dou y. Here the denominator dou y dou x is always equal with dou x into dou y. Therefore the RHS is 0. Hence u satisfies the Laplace equation. Hence u is called as a harmonic function. Now let us consider differentiating the CR equation with respect to y. So you differentiate this respect to y and this one with respect to x, and adding we get dou squared u by dou x into dou y. Here we are differentiate this one with respect to y. Dou squared v by dou y square is equal to dou squared u by dou x into dou y. And this equation is differentiated with respect to x. Therefore dou squared v by dou x square. Adding this two, we get dou squared v by dou x square plus dou squared v by dou y square is equal to dou squared u by dou x into dou y. This minus is shifted to here. We get minus dou squared u by dou y into dou x. RHS will be 0. This satisfies the Laplace equation. Which function satisfies the Laplace equation? The function v. Hence the function v is called as an harmonic function. Hence the theorem. And now we discuss about the harmonic conjugate. What is the definition of harmonic conjugate? Let u be a harmonic function then V is called a harmonic conjugate of U. If here, if U is in a harmonic function, then V is called in a harmonic conjugate. When we call as V is in a harmonic conjugate, V satisfies the two conditions. What are the two conditions? Now discuss. First condition is V is a harmonic function. V is a harmonic function means V satisfies the Laplace equation dou squared V by dou x square plus dou squared V by dou y square should be 0. And one more is U and V satisfies the CR equation. U and V satisfies the CR equation. If two conditions are satisfied, then only V is called as a harmonic conjugate of U. So for one condition is not proved, then V is not a harmonic conjugate of U. This is the definition of harmonic conjugate. Another theorem. The two functions U and V are harmonic conjugate of each other if and only if they are constant function. In this theorem, we can prove that two parts, one is if part, another one is converse part. Here, first in the if part, we consider two functions U and V are the harmonic. By using this data, we have to show that U is a constant and V is a constant. In the converse part, we have to consider U and V are the constant function, then U and V are harmonic. Let us see the proof. Let U and V, this is the if part. Let us consider U and V be the two harmonic function. It is a harmonic function means it satisfies the CR equation. Here we have the two CR equation because U is in a harmonic, V is a conjugate of harmonic. And if V is in a harmonic and U is in a conjugate of U. Here consider CR equation for U is in a harmonic and its conjugate is V. What is the CR equation for U? Dou U by dou x is equal to dou V by dou y and dou U by dou y is equal to minus dou V by dou x. Again consider the CR equation for harmonic function V and its conjugate is U. Dou V by dou x is equal to dou U by dou y and dou V by dou y is equal to minus dou U by dou x. This CR equation for U is a harmonic and V is a conjugate. Then these 3 and 4 are the CR equation for V is in a harmonic and U is in a conjugate. From 1 and 4, what is equation number 1? Dou U by dou x is equal to dou V by dou y. From equation 4, dou V by dou y can be written as minus dou U by dou x. Hence, we get dou U by dou x is equal to minus dou U by dou x. Shift minus dou U by dou x left side, we get plus dou U by dou x. We get 2 times dou U by dou x is equal to 0. That is, dou U by dou x is equal to 0. This shows differentiation of U with respect to x gives 0 means U is a the function U not containing x variable. If U is in a constant, then only its differentiation gives 0. Hence we write U is a independent of x. Okay. Similarly, now consider equation 2 and equation 3. From 2 and 3, we get dou U by dou y is equal to, from 2 and 3, what we get? Equation 2 is dou U by dou y is equal to minus dou V by dou x. From 3, dou V by dou x can be written as dou U by dou y. Hence, dou U by dou y is equal to minus dou U by dou y. That is 2 times dou U by dou y is equal to 0. That is 2 is not equal to 0, remaining is dou U by dou y is equal to 0. That shows U is a free from or independent of the variable y. Hence, U is a independent of x and y, then it is a constant. Therefore, U is a constant function. Similarly, V is also a constant function. Hence, U and V are a constant function. Now consider the converse part. In converse part, we prove that u and v are the constant function. We prove that u and v are the given constant function. By using this constant function, we show that u satisfies the harmonic function and v is also a harmonic function. Here, let u and v be a two constant function in a domain D. That is, u is equal to C1 and v is equal to C2. Differentiate this with respect to x and y partially. Differentiation of u with respect to x. Differentiation of u with respect to x is dou u by dou x and RHS is 0. Again differentiate u with respect to y. Dou u by dou y is equal to 0. Similarly, dou v by dou x is equal to 0 and dou v by dou y is equal to 0. Again differentiate this. With respect to x and y, because harmonic function means the function possesses the partial first order and second order derivatives. Therefore, we again differentiate with respect to x and y. We get dou squared u by dou x square, dou squared v by dou y square and dou squared v by dou x square, dou squared v by dou y square. Again differentiation of 0 gives 0. Now adding this to dou squared u by dou x square plus dou squared u by dou y square gives 0. Similarly, dou squared v by dou x square plus dou squared v by dou y square 0. This line shows u satisfies the Laplacian equation, hence u is an harmonic function. Here also v satisfies the Laplacian equation, therefore v is called as an harmonic function and also harmonic conjugate of each other. Hence the theorem. Problems. First problem. Show that u is equal to e power x cos y plus xy is a harmonic and find its harmonic conjugate. In this case, u is given. By using this u, we have to show that u is a harmonic. Means we show that dou squared u by dou x square plus dou squared u by dou y square is equal to 0. And then find v value, because v is in a harmonic conjugate of u. Answer. Let us consider given and differentiate u with respect to x and y. Therefore, dou u by dou x is equal to e power x into cos y. Here we differentiate with respect to x partially. Partially means other than x variable are constant. So write cos y as it is. Differentiation of e power x is e power x plus differentiation of xy. Among xy, y is in a constant. Differentiation of x is 1. And dou u by dou y is equal to e power x is in a constant. Differentiation of cos y is in a minus sin y. Plus differentiation of xy with respect to y is x. Again differentiate with respect to x and y. We get dou squared u by dou x square is equal to e power x into cos y. Differentiation of y is 0. Dou squared u by dou y square minus e power x is constant, right as it is. Differentiation of sin y is cos y. And now adding this two equation, we get dou squared u by dou x square plus dou squared u by dou y square is equal to e power x cos y minus e power x cos y. The RHS becomes 0. Hence, u is a harmonic. Now find its conjugate. What is its conjugate? For the u, conjugate is v. Therefore, write v is in a harmonic conjugate of u. How to find the harmonic conjugate? By using the total derivative. Total derivative formula is, here v is a function of which variable? Two variables x and y. Therefore, total derivative can be written as dv is equal to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. But in the problem, given part is u. Here we have dou v by dou x. Therefore, by using CR equation, we can change dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y in terms of dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. And substitute, we get minus dou u by dou y is minus of minus e power x sin y is e power x sin y, minus of plus x is minus x plus dou u by dou x e power x cos y plus y into dy. Now integrate this one. How to integrate? So here this is in the form of exact form. Therefore, let us consider this is m. Dx coefficient is in a m. Dy coefficient is in a n. Therefore, formula is v is equal to, when we are integrate by using the exact, we get this formula. V is equal to integration of m dx. In m, y should be a constant. Treat y as a constant, plus integration of n dy. Integration of n dy. In n, the terms of x is 0. Otherwise, terms in x independent of x. Okay. Now, substitute the m value. What is the m value? E power x sin y minus x into dx plus integration of, here terms in n independent of x means what? The x term will be a 0. Which are the x terms in the n? E power x. Here e power x is a 0. If e power x is in a 0, 0 into cos y, 0 plus y. 0 plus y is a y into dy. Now we integrate this one. When we are integrate, we get e power x sin y, because sin y is in a constant. Integration of e power x is e power x sin y, minus integration of x is x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus integration constant is c. This is the harmonic conjugate of u, which is equal to v e power x sin y minus x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus c. This is the solution of the harmonic conjugate of u. Next problem. Show that u is equal to 2xy minus 2x plus y is a harmonic and find its harmonic conjugate. This one is also same as the previous problem. Here u is given. By using u, we have to find out the v value, and u is here. We have to show that u is also a harmonic. So here differentiate u with respect to x, u with respect to y, we get like that. Again differentiate, we get 0. And when we are adding u, dou squared u by dou x square plus dou squared u by dou y square is equal to 0. So here dou squared u by dou x square can also be written as uxx. This is the another form of the partial derivative. Hence u is in a harmonic. By using the total derivative, we write like that, and we are using the CR equation and we substitute, then integrate, we get the conjugate value. It is same as the previous problem. We move on to the third problem. Show that u is equal to 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square and v is equal to 2xy are the harmonic, but u plus iv is not a analytic. Here we show that u is in a harmonic and v is in a harmonic. Okay. u function kuda harmonic agirutte, v kuda harmonic agirutte, ಆದರೆ u plus iv is not analytic. Not analytic means what? Means u and v not satisfies the CR equation. Analytic means it shows two definition. One is analytical function means it satisfies the CR equation. Otherwise, it differentiability exists. Here we discuss about the analytic means CR equation is not satisfied. Then it is not a analytic anta artha. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯು ಅನ್ನು ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ವಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯು is equal to 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square. Differentiate u with respect to x. We get 1 by 2. Differentiation of log is 1 by x square plus y square. Again differentiation of inner term x square plus y square is 2x. Simplify, we get x divided by x square plus y square. For the harmonic function, we find the second order derivative also. Again differentiate u with respect to x. Dou squared u by dou x square is equal to, apply the quotient rule. Quotient rule is x square plus y square whole square in the denominator. Then numerator is x square plus y square. Differentiation of x is 1 minus x into differentiation of the denominator is 2x. Simplify, we get y square minus x square whole divided by x square plus y square whole square. Okay. Now differentiate u with respect to y. That is y divided by x square plus y square. Again differentiate with respect to y. We get x square minus y square whole divided by x square plus y square whole square. To prove harmonic, we are adding uxx plus uyy. When we are adding, we get like that y square minus x square divided by x square plus y square whole square. This one. Okay. And uyy is x square minus y square x square plus y square whole square. Take minus sign outside from the second term. We get minus of y square minus x square divided by x square plus y square whole square. Then RHS is 0. Hence, this is the harmonic function equation. Hence, u is called as a harmonic function. Again, consider v. V is equal to 2xy. Differentiate v with respect to xy. We get vx is equal to 2y. Differentiation of v with respect to vx. Here 2 constant, y constant. 2y into 1, that is 2y. Differentiate v with respect to y. We get 2x. Again differentiate with respect to x and y. Here differentiation of vx with respect to x is vxx is equal to, here there is no x variable, therefore it is a constant. Differentiation of constant 0. Similarly vyy is equal to 0. Adding this two, we get vxx plus vyy is equal to 0. This shows v is in a harmonic function. Here both u and v are the harmonic function. Now we have to prove f of z is not analytic. Analytic means what? First consider the definition. Let f of z is equal to u plus iv. Then here ux not equal to vy. So here vy is a 2x. Ux is equal to what? Y square minus x square divided by x square plus y square whole square. Therefore ux is not equal to vy, and also uy. What is uy? Uy is vy is a y divided by x square plus y square. Therefore it is not equal to minus vx is a 2y. Hence hence CR equations are not satisfied. Therefore u plus iv is not a analytic. Okay. Next problem is, if u and v are the harmonic in a domain D, show that uy minus vx plus I, ux plus vy is a analytic in D. In the previous problem, we show that u plus iv. But here we have the uy minus vx plus I into ux plus vy. Therefore, let us consider. What are the given function? Given functions are u and v are the harmonic. This is a given data. Write on the given data. U and v are the harmonic function. Now, we have to show that this one function and also I into this is a analytic. Therefore, let us take this uy minus vx is in a f. See, let us take f is equal to uy minus vx and ux plus vy is in a g. See here, from the given data u and v are the harmonic means we write the definition of harmonic function for u and v. And consider, in this case, consider uy minus vx is the new function f, ux plus vy for the new function is g. Now we have to prove that f plus ig is a analytic. Therefore, differentiate f with respect to x and g with respect to x. Differentiation of f with respect to x is fx is equal to uxy minus vxx, and differentiation of g is gx is equal to uxx plus vx into y. Okay. Again differentiate f with respect to y variable. First we differentiate f with respect to x variable, f and g with respect to x. Now differentiate f and g with respect to y variable. Partially then Fy is equal to Uyy minus Vxy and Gy is equal to Uxy plus Vyy. Consider Fx minus Gy. Consider Fx minus Gy. Why we are considering Fx minus Gy? We have to prove that. See here, the concept of CR equation means for u plus iv, ux is equal to what? Vy. Ux is equal to Vy. Therefore, we take ux minus Vy form. Ux minus Vy. Here our new function is f and g. That's why we consider this two, fx minus gy. Here we have to prove that fx is equal to what? Gy. That's why we consider fx minus gy. Consider fx minus gy is equal to uxy minus vxx plus minus uxy minus of minus vyy. Uxy minus uxy get cancelled. Here minus vxx minus vy, take minus sign outside, we get like that vxx plus vyy. That is nothing but v is an harmonic function. Its value is what? Its value is 0. Therefore fx minus gy is equal to 0. That represent fx is equal to gy. See, expressed as equation number 1. This equation 1 is in the form of what? If u plus iv is an analytic means what? Ux is equal to Vy form. Again consider Fy minus Gx. Fy minus Gx means here we have to show that uy dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x form. That's why we consider Fy plus Gx. Fy is uyy minus vxy plus uxx plus vxy. Here uxx plus uyy, what's the value? 0. Next vxy minus vxy, again 0. Hence this shows Fy is equal to minus gx. Express this as the equation number 2. Observe 1 and 2. That shows equations are CL. That equation means what? CR equations are satisfied. Hence F plus Ig is a analytic. What is F here? Uy minus Vx and G is in a Ux plus Vy. Hence Uy minus Vx plus I times Ux plus Vy is a analytic in domain D. Okay. These are the exercise problem. These are same as the first and second problem. Thank you.